Let's talk about color grading in CapCut. First of all, I need a footage. So just drag and drop a footage here and then add to track. And first of all, I want to remove the sound for this video, because if I not, the video will distracting. Okay, so here is the footage now on the editing mode, and we need to go on the setting, which is right hand video and setting. You can see if you scroll down, you can do a pretty like the motion blur, like auto framing, and you can do some stabilizer. So this is not our topic, so let's click on the adjustment, and now you can see the adjustment is here. So you can, this is the saturation, this is the hue, and this is the temperature. So this is the basic color grading in CapCut. And lightness, you can see you can bright, increase and decrease. And here is the contrast, you can increase and decrease. And highlights, you can do shadow, illumination. So you just need to change, and here you will see the preview. Okay, so you need to do that thing that will be appropriate with this footage. Okay, so this is the sharpness, so and particles, you can see the fade. Okay, so but I want to show you one another thing, like adjustment. It's on the footage. Like if you have couple of footage, like if I split it, like this is yet another footage. So if you change the color on the adjustment right here, you need to do same thing for the second clips. Voice is boring, right? So that's why here is the another tools, which is adjustment. So adjustment is very interesting here. So custom adjustment, you just need to add a track. It will be like a filter, and you can see here is the same adjustment functionality you can see here. Also you can see the HSL color grading. Also you can see the curve color grading. So voice is pretty cool in CapCut. So, and why you should use this filter and custom adjustment? Because of anytime you can delete it and all the color grading will remove. So that's why it's pretty interesting. Also here is another cool thing that I always like, which is you have multiple footage here. You can just increase this line, and this color grading will apply all the footage that are already in here. So that means you need to do one time color grading, and if you have same lighting and footage, then you don't need to change the color grading again and again. So that's why always I do prefer to use custom adjustment for color grading. So I will try to give you a quick example of color grading, because it's not possible to give you all the fundamental to understand you deeply. So always my footage and your footage will be different. So just you need to understand the basic of color grading. So that's why we need to do another thing, like we need to remove this color grading. Okay, so I just, it's actually on the footage section, and this is the new layer, like new filter you can tell. Okay, and you can see I just removed filter from this section. But if I see here in the preview, we can see it's not removed from here because they are separate clip. Okay, and if you do the color grading in here, go to basic and increase the saturation and use a little bit, and temperature and brightness, contrast and highlights, shadow. Okay, and you can just hide the track like this and this. You can quickly see the changes. Okay, and you can see there is no color grading. But if I increase this line, now the color grading are here. It's like a filter. So I hope you are getting interesting from here. Also, one color grading that I do prefer, which is HSL. Like, you need to increase the specific color in your video. Like, I just want to increase the yellow color. Just select yellow from here and increase. You can see the changes on the yellow color. This changing only yellow color. Okay, so if you want, you can make this yellow. You can off. So white is, you can see it is only changing the yellow color. So that's why I do prefer this color grading. And if I want to increase the red color, you can see the only red color is changing. So white is pretty good. And you just need to think about the what type of color are in your video. Okay, so here is no basic like the black color, so that's why we are not able to increase the black color. Okay, so this is actually this kind of color you can change right now. And then I want to show you a little. Oh, here is another thing, you can save as a presets. Okay, so for like you want to you are using the same footage in same studio like me, you can save the preset and you don't need to do it again and again. Just you can save the preset and you can use that easily. Okay, so now let's talk about curve. Okay, so this is the another thing, like you can see it's now on all. So if you want, you can increase this brightness and decrease also, and you can see the it's also, you need to keep your eye on the preview mode. Then you can select the right color for your video. So this is the red color. If you want, you can increase the red color. It's based on your eye. Always you should use a great monitor for color grading, because without a great monitor you can't give your video appropriate color. Okay, so it's recommended. And you can see this is the blue, and this is look like this, and blue is always good. And so this kind of color grading are available in CapCut right now. So that's it. Actually this was my basic color grading about CapCut. So I hope this video was useful to you, and that's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.